super special because it's going to be the reveal of our brand. May and I's brainchild in collaboration with the brand. You will see later. Not wearing anything because of course we're gonna do makeup and use our own products there. I have a healing lip balm on my lips and Mickey is driving for me today. So it's a whole day shoot pero May and I don't really have a lot of layouts because we're not the models. We want to position ourselves as the creators because we are the creators of the products and we have like other people to model for our products. Of course we have to stay for the whole day kahit wala kaming masyadong layouts because we have to really oversee and see what's going on. Kasi sobrang gusto namin maging hands-on ni May. By the time you guys are watching this, you're just a few days away. Yeah, super exciting. And sobrang excited ko kasi by the time na pinapanood nyo tong intro na to, nakita nyo na yung montage natin. So nakita nyo na yung itsura ng product. So grabe, I'm super duper excited. Ang tagal ko tinago yun mga besh. I'm gonna see you na doon sa shooting location natin. Made it here. And si Justin here. Si Mama Julius sa makeup as always. May pa free treatment sa eyes ko. The generic layout and we're gonna move to the girl boss layout. Yes. Yeah, like what I mentioned kanina, we want like to position ourselves as a creator because we are the creator. Tapos may yung mga models natin. Ang gaganda ng models and we really make sure na tamang-tama yung shade nila for the shade of the product. Makikita nyo later, super diverse niya. Kasi from light to So we're changing makeup na for the second layout. And who is she? Look at her, look at her. Guys, magkakaroon tayo ng salon maya-maya. Makikita niyo. May gupitan session na mangyayari. Ayun na!
Sobrang ready ni Brent.
Oh my God! Sakali.
Hala?
Yeah.
Well, sorry, Brent.
No, what are you saying?
Umiit lang bigla. Mga basa. Who is she? Who is she?
Pinag-upo. Dapat yung may tissue sa leeg. Toenails ko ng conscious ako sila. Hirap. Hola! Hi! So, sinushoot na namin now yung videos for the lip products. And super nakakalig siya makita sa monitor. Look, that's our baby! Ang ganda niya! There. Right now, she's using the shade, ano bang gamit niya? Sun-Kissed. Super nakakakilig siya makita on like the monitor. What I'm using right now is Sangria. Yeah. talagang layouts with the models. May mga videos kasi we really want you guys to know more about the products. We really want you to know how to apply it. And sobrang ganda nung colors ng mga models namin. So yeah, we're just gonna do some retouch sa makeup. And kami na ulit ni May. After the 3 models, it's our turn again. Sorry, hindi ako maka-vlog masyado. Kasi dami ginagawa. Yes. Ano si Mickey? Chika bells. Ay. Pintuan sila. Retouch time! Sobrang ganda ng aming combination. Thanks to our stylist.
Paano ube halaya?
Choose your weapon. By the way, ginupitan namin yan si May kanina.
Hindi ko alam ulit yun ng buhok ko mamaya.
Sige, may reveal tayo mamaya. Kasi ginupit yung buhok ni May habang may extensions. Ay, by the way, we're doing an unboxing sa channel ni May. So, well, nakita nyo naman sa vlog ko yung mga itsura ng products. Pero like yung swatches, yung talagang the ingredients and all, dun nyo siya makikita. Yes. I'm tired. But go. Sangria on my lips. Tinted. Pero like yun yung sinasabi ko, don't expect na para siyang lipstick. Because it's not a lipstick. It's also not a lip tint. It's a lip balm na may tint lang. Just for the days na tamad kayo. Ganun. Yes, baby.
Si Moses.
Yan daw si Moses. O hinati daw ni Moses.
Joke mo ah.
Kakainis kanina niya ko sinasabi.
Ngayon ko lang naisip.
Oh, thanks Mishi for driving for me. Super early in the morning. Feed us answer that we actually wrote. Makakala niyo yung sa Hey guys, we're almost done for today. We're done with our 2 layouts and then yung generic layout namin. We asked all the models to come home na kasi tapos na rin sila. I'd like to say thank you to all of our models for agreeing to represent our brand. You guys are super beautiful. Sobrang ganda ng photos. We have a great team. Grabe, I'm super thankful for our team. Photo namin is by Kuya DJ. And then video by Silver. And then our stylist, sila Brenty. And our stylist, super hardworking. Hi! Preparing lang kami for May's vlog. So, the unboxing and more details about all of the products will be seen in May's vlog. So, we're just gonna set up here. Sorry kung hindi ako masyado nakapag talkies vlog kasi of course, titingnan din namin yung mga nangyayari dito. Because we're also watching paano mag-register yung product sa camera, kung nakukuha ba sa camera yung totoong color ng mga products. All the details, mas detailed about the products, it's gonna be out in May's channel. So, syempre, hindi naman kami pwedeng pareho ng content because we want to offer something different. So, I brought you behind the scenes. Can't wait for the launch. By the time you're watching this, we're just a few days away from the actual launch and can't wait for you guys to try the products. As in, our babies finally. May and I won't release products na kami mismo hindi namin magamit or kami mismo hindi pasok sa standards namin. And I am super proud to say na you guys are getting the best skincare plus use a tinted sunscreen yung coverage at a very affordable price. Plus, it's very accessible for you guys. Available kami sa flagship ng Watson sa Lazada. So yun. Also, huge shout out to Fresh for trusting us talaga. This won't be possible if not for them. And huge thank you for allowing us, for allowing our brains to work na parang nagkaroon kami ng full control sa products. It's a wrap! 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 Masarap yung kakainin natin. Tara na!
Let's go!
Hola! Medyo bumabagsak. Ayan ang gusto ko sa camera na to. Mabilis mag-focus. Di katulad nung isa. Ayan. Naubos na ang ating energy. So, kakain tayo. Hinintay lang namin sila May. We're gonna eat at Masil. It's a Korean BBQ